Hey y'all, hey, welcome back as always. So, I am in quite a shock. When I tell you this, I am pretty sure that you will be as well. Okay, so, I never thought that this day would actually come where I would come on this camera and share what I am about to share with you guys. Jasmine, can you tell me when you started giving out cash to people? I mean, okay, we're gonna go ahead and dissect it. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so it is actually getting around the time of Thanksgiving, Christmas, and all of those, holidays are very unique in its own way, okay? Now, you already know that when Christmas comes, we better not hear nothing out of you at all. Do not start no GoFundMe. Do not come on here dry begging. Do not do any of that. Because I said, wait a minute. First of all, I seen your little video that you did for your boyfriend or whatever. Okay, so I understand the point that you were actually trying to make. But it's kind of weird when you always come on camera and say that not 1 cent to your name. That's what you come on here and tell us. So I'm only reacting off of what you tell us. Okay, so I seen your whole thing that you got all dolled up in your home. Hopefully your kids were at your mom's. All right. The thing, like I keep telling you, that really sunk my ship is when you had the little bag. I guess you got him some lotion, some cologne, some man stuff. Okay, but I happened to look to the side. I had to actually zoom in because I wanted to make sure that I was seeing what I was seeing clearly, okay? So I went ahead on and zoomed in. I see 4 $20 bills. Now, that adds up to 80. I ain't even gonna lie, it blew me a little bit because I'm like, damn, you gonna give him 80? You might as well just went on and put a whole 20 in there and gave him 100. But okay. So that was there. The second thing that blew the fuck out of me is, why was the money wrinkled? Like, if you was going, you could have made that presentation a little bit better. Girl, you could have put that damn money in a fucking washcloth side by side and ironed it. It would have looked much better. But maybe I feel like that because I got OCD. But yeah, I'm like, why the fuck are the edges crumbled up on the $20 bills? Okay. So, yeah, I just don't understand, Jasmine. I said, wait a minute. Is that Jasmine? Hold up. This must be Jasmine somebody else. Nope, it was Jasmine. And I said, damn, Jasmine is giving her bae money. But what got me is the fact that you have not even been with this man as long as you have been on YouTube. So, you mean to tell me you giving him money before you give your faithful, listen to this, y'all, before you give your faithful subscribers a giveaway. So all of y'all faithful subscribers that she have, the ones that she could be jumping off of a roof and they would say, Jasmine, it's okay, go ahead and do it. We're still going to support you. Yeah, the ones that say, you're such a great mom. I don't know why people, come after you. I think that you don't do anything wrong in your house at all. You even lock your kids in their room in the dark and everything, and they are only 2 years old. You don't do anything wrong. That's how they are. Y'all, yeah, bitches. She ain't gave y'all not 1 red cent giveaway. Not 1 subscriber. Nothing. Okay? Nothing. But here she is giving this man money and making a video about it and basically showing you that this is what she does with her money. That made a very, very, very big point to me. It really did. And Jasmine, I'm going to tell you this too. Look, I have no idea, where you decided or where you met this man at. But what I am going to tell you is some real shit. So sit down and open up your ears, whatever it is that you need to open up. If that man has heard your children scream and yell like they are at a screaming match, if he has been able to see all of this, if he has been able to see them basically crawling up the wall, okay? And I swear with them twins, if he was able to hear them scream and this man is still there, girl, you better do whatever you need to do to keep him. Because I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know no male that would stay in that house with all of that noise. I don't know. So I'm trying to tell you some good shit. You better learn how to season some food, because like I said, your food be looking like it's bland as shit. So you better do some, some ingredients, and you better look up some cookbooks, or you better do something, and you better do it quick. You better keep that house clean when he walks straight through that door. Girl, you better start working on that skin of yours. Yeah, you better start. Yes. And all of the stuff, the craziness that you do, please don't come back on camera while you in the bathroom taking a dump and then don't wash your hands. Don't let him see that. Don't put it even on the camera, because he might be looking at you there. And he won't even be coming back to your house. And you tell me, where you at, Zaddy? Because that's what you call him, Zaddy. Where you at, Zaddy? Zaddy? Girl, you better get your shit together. You get what I'm saying? You said something about your little, your lady parts down there. You better keep all of that real clean, clear, and in tip-top shape. You feel me? If this man knows that you are going through it with CPS, okay, and he has not went anywhere at all, I'm trying to tell you, Jasmine, you better right now while I'm saying this, or after I'm done, fall down on your knees. Go and make sure that you have a Bible in front of you. And you better pray to God for about 30 minutes that he keeps that man right there for you. Because this is what I'm going to say. You already know I'm going to tell you the truth. If that was me, the minute I would have heard them twins, I would have been like, all right, man, I'm going to talk to you later. See you. After that, you would not have seen me anywhere. You would not have even seen my name in a text. That would have been it. I would have put you out my phone. You would have been deleted. You would have also been blocked. Immediately. In that order. Then I heard you say something, I think in your live, or one of them, you said you made a mistake and passed gas on him. Now, with that being said, if he were still there the next day and called you and texted you after you passed gas on him, and then you decided to go ahead and put it on the internet like you do everything else for us to see, you better fall down on them knees. And I hope what I'm telling you, your mother should be telling you as well. Girl, you better fall down on those knees. Yeah, so I don't know no other way to put it, Jasmine. But you better get your shit straight right away. All right? Get yourself straight. Because, girl, if you don't, you know what I mean, wine this one, dine this one, so you can get a ring on that finger, because that is normally what you are supposed to shoot for. I mean, I know you don't know, but I'm just telling you right now, the ring, that's the thing you want to go ahead and shoot for. You definitely want to secure the bag, the ring, all right? Now, Zaddy, this is what I'm going to say to you, Zaddy, okay, is that I don't even know how to say it, But all right, just be real, you know, careful, because I can tell you right now, the way Jazz is punching in her claws in you, there is soon to be a pregnancy scare. But this one right here is not going to be a pregnancy scare like all the rest of them where she got abortions, okay? This one right here is going to be that baby that she is going to keep, because she has never felt this way before, like she said, okay? She said she never, ever felt like this. She never thought that this day would come true. So, baby, if you watching my video, I'm telling you like it is, boy, you better go get yourself a plan B. Whatever, they probably can take plan Bs too. But anyway, so I know I'm just playing. But no, what you better do is go get yourself some protection, which I already know you probably not. But I'm just letting you know in a hurry, in a fast, and letting you know the baby is coming. All right. You probably don't even know what's going on right now. Her and Chrissy are probably clicked up together, and Meng click together, stating we are all going to blow the YouTube streets out. The reactors are going to have a field day with this, because you know what? We are all getting ready to get pregnant together. See, the whole skit thing with the Olivia shit is died down, it's gone. You know, that little skit that they did. So now, they just got to come up with something else. And I guarantee you, this is going to be it. Every other day, Ming is on it. Oh, I might be pregnant. Oh my God, I can't. All this, all that. Yes. All right. Chrissy already over there with, you know, her boo or whatever. You know, dreads to locks. Yeah, she over there with him. So you already know how this going to kick off. All y'all fertile. I don't know, but I just wanted to tell you that, Zaddy. So yeah, with that being said, you know, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here, because I just had to slide in a real quick minute, because I was like, wait a minute. Jasmine is doing babe giveaways? You doing Zaddy giveaways? I said, it ain't even the damn New Year, and these bitches is on here acting like they are crazy, giving away money. I'm like, okay. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here, and I will see you guys in the next video.